The top 5 stories from the past week. Number 5. New safety research from Waymo found that driverless cars led to a significant reduction in the rates of police-reported and injury-causing crashes compared to human drivers. The two main findings were an 85% reduction or 6.8 times lower crash rate involving any injury, from minor to severe and fatal cases, and a 57% reduction or 2.3 times lower police-reported crash rate. Number 4. Google announced a $700 million settlement with the U.S. Attorney General for the lawsuit over the Google Play Store. $630 million will be disbursed to roughly 102 million consumers who had spent money on the Google Play Store between August 16 and September 30, 2023. The remainder will go to U.S. states that participated in the trial. In addition, there will be changes coming to third-party app stores and slide loading, alternative billing, and OEM, original equipment manufacturer, clauses. Number 3. Apple will pause sales of the Apple Watch Series 9 and Apple Watch Ultra 2 starting December 21st. Apple is facing a potential import ban until August 2028 due to rulings that the watches infringe on patents from Massimo. The U.S. International Trade Commission, ITC, has upheld a ruling and now it is under a 60-day presidential review period, which ends December 25th. President Biden has the ability to give a Christmas Day present to one of these two companies. Which will it be? Number 2. Adobe gave up on its $20 billion acquisition of Figma, resulting in Adobe having to pay a $1 billion termination fee. The deal was terminated after there was no clear path to receive necessary regulatory approvals from the UK and EU watchdogs. By combining these two companies, the proposed acquisition would have terminated all current and prevented all future competition between them. Our in-depth investigation showed that this would lead to higher prices, reduced quality or less choice for customers, says the EU's competition commissioner. Instead of making remedies, Adobe decided to pull the pin on the deal and pay Figma the large termination fee. Number 1. NASA begins ramping up its Artemis program, with a long-term goal of building a permanent moon base. In a video posted by NASA, they are commissioning a commercial delivery service, or what they have dubbed the Commercial Lunar Payload Services, CLPS, initiative. It will use private companies to build this delivery service. This program would help pave the way for service to other destinations, with Mars likely being at the top of the list.